To blur the whole background behind a text, I will select the clip in timeline, then in Effects panel, search Blur and drag Fast Blur or Camera Blur effect over the clip. Now as the full background is blurred, you can click Window to activate Essential Graphics panel and write your own text. You can control the blurriness of background by selecting the clip in timeline, then dragging % blur value left or right. You are all done. However, here is another situation. I want to blur background behind this moving email text on a video clip which is pre-recorded or screen recorded. For that purpose, bring playhead at the start of clip. I will restore the original % blur value of the effect. For a better view, let me increase the area of program monitor. Now in Effect Controls, select Rectangle Shape, bring the mask over text, temporarily reduce the opacity. Adjust the size and position of mask over the email text. Now in Effect Controls, click on Forward Tracking. Premiere Pro will analyze and track the movement of email text while going upward, then zooming on the left side. If it stops tracking, you can restart it again. Now you can increase the opacity. Because I want to hide the background behind this text, so in Effect Controls, I will select the inverted box. You are all done. Let's play back. Check description for links to watch more videos about blur.